Hi, and welcome to Lumi Stitch, where thread tell tales. This channel is about cross stitch. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you for watching and subscribing. In today's video, I'm gonna do a review of two Fairy brand small cross stitch. It's gonna be an owl and a little cute bear. All right, let's get started. First, let's review an owl. Is this another 99 cents cross stitch? Is it good? Well, let's find out. And who does not love owls? It's so cute. And this kit is this is a 16 count Ada. I don't think you can pick your own. I think when you go to their website, it just has 14, 16. So whatever they have, they will send it out to you. But no worries, the printing is super clear. And when you squish this is good quality Ada. So this is 100% cotton Ada, and the floss that they use is 100% cotton also, and it's like just as good as DMC. And I think, yeah, this kit has 16 colors, and look at those beautiful colors with even a little little ribbon at the bottom. Who doesn't love these beautiful colors? This is like a mermaid vibes colors. And this one is so tiny. The square is 50 by maybe 59 stitches. 50 by 59 vertical or and horizontal, 16 count. So this kit does have let's see, it has a little chart here. It does not have it on the ledger. Key is not on the canvas because they only do it on the big ones. The small ones doesn't get the printing. All the printing is right here. So they have the back stitch and 1/2 stitch. And you can actually, if you want to know what it exactly means, you can use a Google Translate with the links, and it will tell you what that is. But usually, sometimes they'll have also French knots there. So this doesn't have it. So 16 colors, cute little owl, and all cotton mercerized threads. The next one is a little bear. It's so beautiful, you guys. So I already got it started in my Flosstube that came out on Monday. And I love these little different pinks. There's a lighter pink and a darker pink. But I have to say, I do not love this fork. So I'm going to stitch it without it like this. And I'm just gonna follow the pattern in squares because it's so easy to just do square, 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 and you can just cover it up. Even though it's stamped, I'm just gonna do my own basically chart conversion or redo the chart and just kind of delete this out of there, stitch over the fork, and that way I can actually put it on some project bag or something, because this, if you stitch the fork, to me it's like it's going to be really for a lunch box. And I work from home, and yeah, I don't go much where I need to eat lunch. Yeah, so let's look inside. This is a small one, and this one is actually a 14 count. The printing is beautiful and clear, and it's so easy to stitch. It's just background. So what else you can do to make it go faster? I was stitching, it dawned on me, for this background, you could actually do 4 strands half stitch, and then you're gonna go twice as fast. But since I already started stitching 2 pinks, there is like a cream color there. I think that cream color that goes in between for the background, I'm just gonna do half stitch, and that's gonna make it go a lot faster. because this is like a full coverage piece right here. It doesn't seem small, but if you don't do half stitch, it's going to be twice as much work. Let's look at the floss. And we have 18 colors of beautiful floss here. Again, it's tied with a little cute bow, and the instructions are the same, but I'm still gonna show it to you anyways. Also, the printing is so good. I'm gonna do a little bit of chart. It has a good instructions for backstitch, and I just want to show you what the chart looks like. So they have one French knot here and just all full stitches, but of course you can do the conversion for that background. This is just going to be like that 10 stitch, like the cross stitchers that do full coverage, they use it and it goes twice as fast, but just use like a 4 strands half stitch, and it's gonna do a good coverage on 14 count. That's what I'm planning to do with the white or a cream color. And that's all for this video. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.